is they hug you right. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me.
Period up, period I, period What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Taya's World, Taya Simone. Y'all is good. What's poppin'? Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Or if you're new, welcome. We do beauty vlogs, all that good stuff. Stick around and, you know, join the chaos, join the Cozy Girl Mafia or the Cozy Girl Fam. How do y'all feel? Which one? Cozy Girl Mafia or Cozy Girl Fam? Anyway, y'all, so today is a good day because y'all see what this is? Y'all see this? Yeah, I got a Fashion Nova package and I'm too excited to open this motherfucker, okay? If you guys want to see what the hell is in this bag, then you better stay tuned. Watch to the end of the video, okay? So this time, I decided to do this try-on haul slash unboxing or whatever a different way. Because y'all know when I'm in my car, well, if you don't know, then you know now. When I'm in my car, it's a vibe, okay? It's a whole freaking vibe. So I'm about to go ahead and get a little lit so we can hop into this unboxing because I want to see what's in here, even though I know what's in here, but I want to see what's in here. I want to test the quality. I want to see what it's giving. Is it giving me outside this summer or is it not? I just want to know because I'm trying to be outside. Are you trying to be outside? You ain't got to be outside, but I'm gonna be outside respectfully. All right, y'all, so I didn't think this shit through. I did not think this shit through because I got this big ass bag. I got this big ass bag of Fashion Nova stuff. And I got all of this that I gotta take upstairs. And then with my drink, like I didn't think this through. I didn't think this through. Yeah, I'm so sorry that the lighting looks like this. I don't know what the hell is going on with outside, but everything just looks real yellow and I just don't fuck with it. So I'm about to hurry up and go upstairs because I'm not even gonna lie, I forgot to charge my other phone too. So damn, there's a lot of stuff I just didn't do right. This whole little situation is just not it. Hey, this the real transition. This the real transition. This the real transition right here. Okay. So yeah, here we are. A quick transition in the building. I got my package right here. So let's get into this motherfucking unboxing. Y'all already know what's going on. I'm gonna cut all of that out. Y'all just know that when y'all see my videos, they be mad editing, okay? I be editing the mess out of these videos because I be saying some off the wall stuff, like for real. So let's rip this bad boy open. It was so dirty. Y'all, it got all this hair and shit on it. Did they have my fucking package in a box of wigs? Like, what the hell? We got a bag. It's not a bag. Okay. So let's open up set number 2. Take off the first layer. Yeah, Fashion Nova. I appreciate the security, okay, of my package. I really greatly appreciate it. Oh my gosh, I forgot what I ordered. I ain't gonna lie. Fucking smell hit me dead in my face. But yeah, I got my stuff. I'm so excited. I got my stuff. And we about to try it on real quick, real fast, because my cousin will be home in like 30 minutes and I'm trying to do this before she gets here. So let's get to it. Okay. First things first, I'm pretty sure that this box did not look like this when it was put into packaging. So yeah, my box is destroyed. Let me make sure my shoes is okay because I got shoes. First things first, your girl got some shoes, okay? And these are like sandals because I've been wanting those like jelly like sandals. And I keep seeing them in Aldo and I love Aldo. But them hoes was like $40 and I was like, damn, that's a lot for some slides. I saw these on Fashion Nova and y'all, I had to look at this. Look at these. Y'all can't tell me these shoes ain't fire. You can't tell me these ain't cute as hell. And when I tell you quality, baby, this is giving quality shoe. They do feel kind of big on my feet. I'm not gonna lie. They do they cute, they comfortable, and well, they not really that comfortable. I lied. They really not that comfortable. Like this, I could not be walking nowhere far in these shoes. Like no, I'm be mad. I'm be mad. These are really cute. I really like them. Honestly, I wish I would have sized down because I got these in a size 9 and I wear an 8.5 to a 9. I think these sandals are super cute. 10 out of 10. Definitely will be copying some more for sure. So we have the second pair of shoes here. Come in the Nova box. Oh, is that upside down? Okay, so y'all, it's not upside down, but it's definitely backwards from what I'm looking at. So yeah, and let's go ahead and unbox this box, okay? Oh, more paper. Oh, y'all, these was the heel. These was the heel. Hold on. Wait a minute. I just realized something. I'm missing some shoes. So the next shoes that I got, wow, I'm kind of heated about that. The next shoes I got are like these fishnet shoes, and y'all, hold on, I'm not gonna lie, this is a moment. Like, hold on, I'm too excited to put this on my foot, cause hold on, this is kind of a moment. I would say that the heel part is really annoying because go on my foot bit out. Or is it supposed to sit that low? Shit, I don't know. Baby, I'm sitting up tall, taller than a doll, baby. So these shoes are super, super cute. I would say I should have sized up for sure, but I could definitely use these shoes in pictures for sure. Like, I would wear these out if I just absolutely had to, but I would definitely be wearing these shoes in pictures because baby, these kind of spicy, I ain't gonna lie. I would give these shoes a 7 out of 10. Honestly, that's my honest answer. I would give these shoes a 7 out of 10 because, I don't know, I just, what it gave in my head is just not what it gave in real life. Moving on to the next thing. All right, y'all, so now let's get into the try on part. We finna get into these clothes, baby. So the first things first, we got these shorts right here. These are called the uncomplicated seamless shorts, y'all. I've been wanting some cute little shorts that show, you know, the cheeks. So let's see what this is giving. Oh, wow. Oh my. All right, y'all, so these are the shorts, and I'm not gonna lie, y'all, it's giving what it needs to give. I love this, baby. These is comfortable. These is comfortable for sure. Yeah, I could definitely see me rocking this in a look for sure. Like, I really, really, really like these. They feel really nice too. Yeah, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. They hug you right? Baby, what? Don't play with me, don't play with me, don't play with me. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be wearing these because baby, I look good. I look good already. The next thing that I got from the Nova is this drinks on her maxi dress. Ooh, in the color black. Okay, so I remember this dress. I remember getting this dress. I remember adding it to the list of stuff. Ooh, straight out packaging, it's really soft. I'm excited. Ignore the mess, okay? We're unboxing stuff. But okay, so this is the maxi dress, y'all. I like this dress. I like this dress. Don't worry about my panty line. Yeah, I would not wear underwear with this dress. I would go no panties, okay? I would definitely go no panties. But this dress is giving the girls. I have on like a sports bra right now. But I like this dress. Y'all look cute. And y'all know I like a slit, baby. This dress is giving the girls what it needs to give, okay? Because y'all know I like me a good slit. Okay, I got this bra on, so just ignore it. But this dress is giving. It's giving. It's giving. This is cute. This is cute, okay? And I'm not gonna lie. With the glasses, it's giving a vibe. Period. Y'all, I'm gonna make these my actual glasses. Like, prescription is what these gonna be. This dress is a 10 out of 10. I love this dress. I love the way it feels on me. I love the way it hugs me. And I got this in a size medium, by the way. So, yeah. It's giving potty yaddy yaddy. That's what we wanted. That's what we wanted. So, yeah. I approve of this dress. Alright, y'all. So, I let my hair down to just get a different like feel
from the outfit. This is the next outfit that I got. Well, next outfit. This is the next item that I got from Fashion Nova. It's this Nirvana shirt in brown and black. And it's like a tie-dye type feel. This shirt is really cute. And I just wanted some more graphic t-shirts. Like, I kind of like the big, baggy, oversized look. Like, I kind of like that. So this is in a size medium. I feel like I definitely could have went into a small though. That way it just kind of hugged me more. This will probably be like a shirt that I would like lounge around in because it's so big. And I'll probably order another one for like pictures. But I just paired it with the shorts. Hold on. So I just paired them with the shorts that I got from Fashion Nova as well. And y'all, this is comfortable. I think I'm gonna wear this after this video, like honestly. This is comfortable. I like this. So this is the last thing that I got from Fashion Nova. It's just this plain Jane low cut. Sorry y'all, trying to cover up my sports bra up under here. But it's just a plain Jane old low cut t-shirt. I really just got a bunch of like casual clothes. Not anything too crazy. The only thing that was really just out, like not really you can say casual, was the heels and the maxi dress. But the maxi dress would be something that I would wear out on a casual day, so I would say that was casual too. I did have two other items that I got from Fashion Nova, which were some jeans, but y'all, I couldn't even get them much past my thighs. Like, your girl has gained so much weight. I need to get to the gym like ASAP Rocky. Didn't get to show y'all the jeans, but they was cute. I might just sell them to somebody that's a little smaller than me and go from there, because honestly, I took a lot of L's in this package. My last try on haul / unboxing went better than this. This one kind of took a lot of L's, but it's okay. It's okay though. Trial and error, okay? Trial and error. At least I got 4 things out of this that, you know, I really enjoyed. A lot of these items I definitely could have sized up on the jeans. A lot of these items I could have definitely sized down, because even though I'm a little chunkier than usual, you know, I still got a figure. It ain't, no, not sponsored. It ain't nothing a little waist trainer can't fix, so. All right, y'all, so yeah, Taya from 20, 30, 45 minutes later. So I realized that what I thought I was buying was heels, right? So I thought I had heels missing. No, y'all, I bought a bracelet. I mean, an anklet. I bought an anklet. I thought I was buying heels and I really bought an anklet, but it's okay. It's okay because the anklet cute. She cute. So I'm just about to show y'all real quick what it looks like, because I really thought that I had bought some more heels, but no. Yeah, I took a lot of L's this time, y'all, but it's okay, because the next try on / unboxing will be better, okay? It'll be better. Dang, they be putting tape all on anything. So, okay, y'all, so this is the anklet. It is so cute. And I think this will be so cute for my trip in September. So, this is really cute. Like, I really like it. So, yeah, no heels, but we got a cute anklet out of it. So yeah, all right, you guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, okay? If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 1K by the end of the year, and I know we can do it, period. Y'all been blowing it up on the views. Y'all been doing it on the views. So let's get 15 likes on this video, and I will drop another try on haul / unboxing for you guys. Drop down below in the comment section how y'all felt about this video. What was your favorite outfit, your favorite item, okay? Let me know how you was feeling about this video down in the comment section. And don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. Everything is linked down below on my link tree. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. We better get out of here because I'm hungry. Bye.